Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Thursday the 5th of August. And today was another interesting day. August has been nothing short of eventful. Every day has been action packed and today did not disappoint whatsoever. It opened gap down and it just ran lower from there. We did take 8 trades. 2 of them were losers. 6 of them winners. The market, we took a short to start the market. We grabbed another short. Grabbed a long down here and then a short. Tried to get long and the market did stop us here. And we got long over here, and I think the market stopped us down here. And then got short in this area and rode it down a little bit. We had 8 trades for a maximum profit potential of 17 and 3/4 points or 71 ticks, and our actual trades in the room with the entries and the exits called were 23 and 23 1/4 points or 93 ticks. So it is a lot of fun. And I'm getting questions, are these real calls in the room where people have a chance to enter? And yes, they are. I make the calls. A lot of times I'm talking about the areas before price gets to them, so that way you know what I'm looking for, you know what I'm looking to do. And obviously it's the market's sometimes fast market. Sometimes I'll say something and the market will just take it right away. But for the most part, the trades are called beforehand, and everybody usually has time to enter. Do I have people in the room that they trade with me, they piggyback off my trades? Yes, I do. And that's what a trading room is all about. It's about camaraderie, about talking about trading, and people being able to enter quality trades. And that's what I feel. I feel my trades are quality trades. I've gotten people before. Hey, could you rate your trades? This trade, that trade. I don't usually take a lot of trades. Lately, the past couple weeks, I've taken more trades than I usually do. Usually stay under 5 trades. Lately I have been, getting up there a little bit. But, making 23 points out of 8 trades, I don't think that's a horrible number. So, but it is what it is. I usually don't take a lot of trades, but the past few weeks, my numbers have been up there a little bit. So, but you take it as you can get it, and I don't really see 23 points, 8 trades. I don't see that as too many trades. When the market presents it, I'll take it. If it doesn't, I try not to take it. Am I perfect? Definitely not. There's no such thing as a perfect trader. Even though I want to be a perfect trader, I know I never will be. But it's that striving for perfection. That's what I try to do. I try to be a perfectionist in what I do. And, trading is the same. I like to play guitar. I will never be the perfect guitar player. But, that's every guitar player's goal. You'll never ever reach your goal. But, like they say, if you aim for the stars, you're going to hit the moon. Same type of deal. But anyway, I wanted to clarify those. I get a lot of questions on those 2 topics. I feel every trade is quality, and you're gonna take some losses. It's part of the game. It's gonna happen, and you just have to be ready for it. And it is what it is. But anyway, I like to encourage everyone to stop by, check out the website. It's www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Every day we have fun. We talk about the market. Wasn't here the other day because I was sick, and that happens. This is part of life. But every day we do talk trading. I do an analysis before the market. I do one when we close the room at 12 o'clock, and I look at the charts as the day's going by. Some, certain times I talk more than other times. I'm not talking constantly throughout the day. Because I don't want to fill the time with, you know, meaningless banter. I want to talk about the market when the market's doing something. Today was a very interesting day, and it was a lot of fun. Some days are more boring, so you have to take it in stride, and but I do have a lot of fun. I'm enjoying meeting other traders, reading the emails, questions, and all that. Um, if you're watching this video, if you have any questions about the market, you want to get into it, you're not sure, you're already in it, whatever you have any questions, upper right hand side of the website does have a contact form. So send me off anything you have, questions, comments, feedback, suggestions. Um, no such thing as a dumb question. There's only the question that hasn't been asked. So if you don't know the answer, don't hesitate to ask the question. I was a new trader at one point, and you know, I think it's a good thing. I can remember so much from that time period when I was a new and struggling trader, and I never had a mentor. I talk about that quite a bit in my previous videos. But I think not having that mentor really was good for me because I learned a whole lot. Yeah, it did cost some money and it took a lot of extra time, but I did learn quite a bit, and that's one good thing about the service that I provide, or at least that's what I hope, is it takes away a lot of the time. Like if I remember learning on my own, it did take a lot of time, so the time element is definitely a factor, and I did lose some money, and that's part of it as well. So overall, if you can save a little bit of money, which is the losses that you incur, and time, I think it's the best of both worlds. You can learn fairly quickly, and you don't have to do a lot of the mistakes. You can learn, and I think that's what life's about. You learn from others. Sometimes certain things you have to learn on your own, but certain certain things you can learn from others, and picking up a new skill you can definitely learn from others. You don't have to make all the mistakes that people before you have made. Anyway, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit. Don't want to ramble on too much and make it like a 20-minute video. No one's going to watch it. But anyway, if you do enjoy this video that you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Definitely show some support. I appreciate everybody for showing support to the site, and hope everyone has an awesome night. And I will see you in the morning. Thanks for watching.